another one of my YouTube videos. Today I'm going to be unboxing this beauty right here. This was my graduation present from my dad. This is the iPhone XR in 64 gigs, and this is the blue model. Of course, I've already opened the actual box. Standard paperwork, and then you have like the basic stuff that you get in the box, which includes the little adapter piece. You also get the headphones with the lightning connector on the end, and then I just have an extra charger. So that's all that was in the box. Let's get onto the phone. And I don't have a case on it, unfortunately, because I just like the feel of this phone because it's glass, and you know, I had the aluminum before. So yeah, this is my phone. This is the blue one, and it's just so pretty. I don't know if you guys can see that, but like, I don't think this is doing it justice. I just got this pop socket today. If you can see, it's like a chrome. I think it was like the mermaid chrome, something like that. I'll put all that in the description, but that's not what you guys came here for. So I'm going to show you what I have on my iPhone, and if you want to see, just keep on watching. Okay, so of course, once you open the screen, it's going to be my freaking queen. So she's just on my wallpaper, my lock screen for now. I'll probably change it, you know, and then to just unlock it, you just swipe it up right there. I'm gonna go ahead and go to like your basic apps. So I have like three pages of apps. This page is just your like standard widgets page. So my Apple Watch is like dead. Then you have your mail, and then I have Outlook. That's what I really use for school, but I don't really use that app anymore. I'm gonna skip all these boring apps like calendar. You guys all have that. That's not different. Photos, yeah, yada 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 yada. Yeah, so this is just a standard page. I don't really need to talk about that. So in the top, I have like all my Google apps. And I think this is the zoomed view because I kind of like my icons a little bit bigger. So Google, and then Drive, Maps. You need to do Google Maps. Apple Maps, I swear, will literally drive you right past your house. And like switching over to Google Maps just saved me a whole bunch of time because for one, it like always calculates like the fastest route. With Apple, I mean, I feel like Apple I don't know, I just don't like using like the software. It's not always accurate. I think that's more of a better word. Okay, and then I have my Starbucks, and I used to just have this on my phone. I never used it like ever, but I've started using it a lot more because I drink a lot more Starbucks. So I have Shazam, which is useful sometimes. Pandora, I don't really use Pandora because I have Spotify. And then I have like all my kind of banking, money apps, so that's what I use. Then I have all my social media obviously is like on this page. Yeah, Facebook, Twitter. I want to show you guys. This page saves my life, I promise you. This is like the best Twitter account ever created. Deals like every second. I'm not even kidding. It's really, really good. I order so many things. So that's like, if you have a Twitter, get this app. Like, I recommend it. 10 out of 10 would recommend. And then I have my Instagram if you want to follow me. This is my page right here. I have all well, not all of them, but most of my graduation photos. I'm trying to get a little bit more active on it. And then T-Mobile Tuesdays. I really can't stress this enough because I feel like a lot of people don't know about it, but they literally give you free stuff every week. Like right now, I know for a fact you got a free taco from Taco Bell. They've been doing this for a while now, and then you have a freaking latte from Dunkin' Donuts, and then you have 10 cents off of gas. And then of course I have my YouTube. I don't really watch YouTube on my phone because I have a computer unless like I'm on the road or something. Snapchat, which I completely switched over to Instagram stories now. And then Zup. This is like a local application. I believe it's for UCF students, and I think they've expanded to FSU. And it's just like a bunch of deals and stuff. But yeah, that's pretty much what that app is. And then my activity, I've been working out, but I kind of been slacking since I started working. I like share my different workouts with my family, like with Shane. And MyFitnessPal, I was using this when I first started my journey, but pretty much this is what I use for tracking my macros, which is short for macronutrients. So these are pretty much where you're getting your calories from, and your calories come from your fats, your protein, and your carbs. So basically, I would kind of set a goal, and then I would see like, oh, well, this is enough protein for today, or this is how much more fats I need, and stuff like that. So I really want to get back into it. Amazon, self-explanatory. eBay, self-explanatory. I use Amazon a lot more because of the Twitter page I showed you about. And then I have like a lot of just lifestyle apps. Most of these are like shopping apps. I would say from this list, I would say Retail Me Not is a really good app because there's like a bunch of coupons on it. Yeah, Pink Nation, Go is a good app. This is where people like resell their shoes and get money for it, and then consumers like me or somebody else could buy them. It's the same thing as StockX. So Gas Buddy, I do. That's a really good app. It'll like search near you and like search for the cheapest gas. Fuel Rewards, that's just the Shell like rewards app. Etsy, yeah, I want to start using Acorns though. I just don't know how to like start. Winalo. Winalo is actually pretty cool. Like, I'm not gonna lie, a lot of this stuff, basically they sell like a lot of like luxury stuff, but most of this stuff is fake. So entertainment, this white noise machine, this is what I use to go to sleep. Food, I don't know, like most of the time I do like online ordering and then I go pick it up, and that's what most of these are for. And then my games, this one is really cool. Let me just show you. Education, yeah. I don't really know. Duolingo is really cool though. I haven't used it in a while. But it's really good. Like, I'm trying to learn more Spanish, so. And then Venmo is like Cash App. I don't know what the name of this app is. It says whatever. I don't know. But this is like, basically it keeps up with all your purchases. And then I used it for like setting a limit, so I would allow myself to spend no more than $200 a week. But that never really worked because I would always go over it. This is my fitness. Like I said, I really only use Activity. All of these are just kind of background apps. When I used to run, I would use like the running app and then the Nike Run Club, but I don't really anymore. Workout is cool for like showing you different workouts that you could do to target different parts of the body. So like it'll have like, whichever one you want to work on. So let's say I want to work on my quads today. It'll like have all these like videos and say I want to do this. This is what I typically do. It'll show you like how to do it. To edit my pictures, I use Visco, which is actually really good. I don't really use Afterlight or like Facetune because I don't really know how. Blur Photo is really good. Like if you want to blur like if you want to have like a main focus and you want to blur everything in the background. That's what I do for a lot of my thumbnails. So that's how I get that effect. And that's pretty much it on my phone. There's a lot of stuff and I didn't go into detail about a lot of stuff, but like I said, if you have any questions, make sure you do leave them down below. And if you have apps on your phone that you think I should try out, or you think anybody watching this should try out, leave it down in the comments down below. But other than that, that's going to be my video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you, bye.